efficient thermal management is critical in high-performance electronics, power systems, and industrial applications. Heat sinks play a key role by dissipating excess heat to keep technology running at optimal temperatures. But their effectiveness is often limited by traditional manufacturing methods. Thermally conductive metals like copper efficiently pull away heat, but machining limits heatsink designs to simple shapes. That means missed opportunities for improved performance. With a Desktop Metal Studio system, you can break free of those limitations. Our powderless Metal 3 printing technology makes it easy to produce complex heatsink geometries that increase surface area, enhance airflow, and optimize heat dissipation. Whether you're prototyping or producing functional end-use components, the Studio system makes it easy to implement advanced thermal solutions. Learn more at teamdm.com/studio system.